Today I will show you how to install the Linux distribution Ubuntu on your Windows PC. First of all, you can go into your control panel, open up Programs, then Programs and Features, and then turn Windows features on or off. You have to make sure that Windows subsystem for Linux is marked. After that, you can go into the Microsoft Store and search for Ubuntu. And I'm going to install Ubuntu 22.04, but you can also install Ubuntu without a specific version. It will update your version automatically, but I decide for Ubuntu 22.04. And now you can just click on install and wait till it is downloaded. After that, you can click on open, or you can search for Ubuntu. And as you can see, it is already here. After you opened it, you just have to wait. And now you can create your user by creating a username and a password. And after that, you have successfully installed Ubuntu on your Windows PC. The next steps would be that you update all applications with sudo apt update. And after that, you can start by installing some packages or also Python. I'm going to install Python first by sudo apt install Python 3. Python is already installed, so it was unnecessary, but now I'm going to install a package that I want to use in a project. And for that I have first to install Python 3 pip. It is a package installer for Python. Yes, I'm sure. I want to continue. After I have installed pip, I can show me which version I installed. And now I can use pip to install some packages like PyTube by typing in pip install PyTube. And now I have all packages that I need for the project. For example, for downloading a YouTube video by a Python script.